Guys, the weather is so good. I'm eating. I'm in Nairobi, Kenya. I'm enjoying my breakfast. We have coffee. Yes, chocolate. We are eating corn. And we're eating sweet bananas. Those tiny little sweet bananas. Let me know how you call these ones here. My goodness, guys. I'm enjoying the breeze here in Nairobi, Kenya. That's my happy right there. I'm in my penthouse. I have this little outdoor, grill area. Outdoor, how do you call this? How can we call this? Let me know. It's like outdoor serving area. You can hold a party here, a wedding, anything really. I have small stools here. You can sit and enjoy. And yes, I am in Nairobi, Kenya, having fun. Look at the view from the top of my penthouse. The view is amazing. People are, I can hear the screaming of the students and kids and people having fun. And I'm about to enjoy my breakfast. This is the morning breeze here in Africa, Kenya, in Nairobi. Okay, let's enjoy our breakfast. My happy enjoying his breakfast, chilling. Good. Okay, let's have fun. Guys, I'm sitting down here enjoying this little banana. Let's do justice with this one. So since I'm holding the camera, this is sometimes how we do it in Kenya. Okay, it's the village girl. This is how we do it. This is how we wawana. And then we take a bite. So sweet. Sweet. And then we have coffee. This is how we do it here in Kenya. Alright guys, we are cooking pumpkin. Look at this Kenyan pumpkin. So I'm going to add a little bit of water in here. Just a little bit to make sure my pumpkin doesn't burn. So I am going to cover it up. And this stuff is not for this, but it's gonna, help my pumpkin. Look at that. So over here I'm going to cook tea. I'll put water. Whoa. So put some water and put some milk here. Let me show you the milk. This is the milk we use here in Kenya. There are different companies, but we have this long life milk. It's a kubwa big. So what we're gonna do, this is Mount Kenya milk. It comes from Mount Kenya, and this is how they package it. It's let me see, it's 500 milligram, and this milk actually can stay for long life. That's why they call it long life. It has all the protein and the fat, everything you see there, carbohydrates, calcium, vitamin A and vitamin B. No added, nothing. So it's just natural milk. So I'm gonna open this milk, put it here. I'm gonna use one bucket because I don't need much. Let me show you. Oh, guys, I just added the milk. This is the milk right here, long-lasting milk. This is the milk we use. So let's go add tea leaves, ginger tea from Kenya. We bought this from Kericho, which is the largest production of tea leaves, which you could be seeing on my videos, the plantation. So we bought this from the factory, direct from the factory here in Kericho, Kenya. Kericho, Kenya is another city away from the capital, Nairobi. So it smells really good, guys. It's called ginger tea. Very, very organic. I love it. I love it. Guys, comment below. Let me know what you think of these vlogs of Kenya. So we're cooking natural tea, guys, with the natural tea leaves. We're cooking natural pumpkin from Nairobi, Kenya, from East Africa, Kenya, Mama Africa. Of course, here chilling, now waiting for my tea. Guys, my hair is a mess. Don't worry about my locks. I am in Africa, so you expect me to be African. So let me wait for the pumpkin to be ready so that we can eat. So we have this hoodie is working at the lighting, and I'm gonna turn a little bit here so that my penthouse does not smell pumpkins. My goodness, guys. The good thing with Africa, Kenya, as you cook, you know, as you cook tea, whatever, pumpkin, you could always be snacking. So you don't have to be like, what am I gonna do? The tea is getting ready. So I am going to snack this, what do you call this? These, so I am going to be snacking these passion fruits. Guys, they're organic here from the Nairobi city. So actually, no, we got this from Kericho. We got this Kericho, people. So I'm gonna get one so that I can be snacking meanwhile I'm cooking my tea. So this is how it looks like. Passion fruits. Of course, I have fresh running water here. I'll be washing it like this, and then one will be eating. So we'll be snacking, and let's go out here in the balcony so that we'll be snacking. Guys, I love sitting in this balcony right here. Look. Wow. This is my balcony. It's so long. Let me show you. The balcony is so long. So what I do, I come here, because when you're here inside the balcony, you can overlook Nairobi city over there. So I sit here enjoying my quiet time. Of course, I can wash my passion fruit here if I want to, because we have running water here. I'm about to put some washing machines here so that we can wash our clothes here in the corner. These are the windows for the bedrooms here. And the good thing with this penthouse is like, whenever it's open for anybody around the world, if you want to come to Nairobi, Kenya, and you're looking for a quiet place to stay, this is Umoto Lifestyle's penthouse. You can holler me, call me. I'm gonna put my contact here. You can come here and enjoy this breeze of Nairobi, Kenya. So from the city where I am, from downtown Nairobi, is actually 15 minutes to the downtown Nairobi city. So this is my penthouse. You can come here, stay a month, 2 weeks on your vacation. You can come with your family members and stay here. Let me remove. This is my trash can. I need to put it inside. So you can come here and stay here, enjoy with your family members. So, and yeah, look at this. You can have all this. So this penthouse, actually, it's open for summer travels. You can enjoy. You are more than welcome to come here and enjoy. So I'm gonna do a proper tour of my penthouse, guys, so that in case you want to come here and enjoy my penthouse, I'm gonna do a really proper tour so that I can show you all the rooms that we have, what amenities that you have here in Nairobi. So whenever you're traveling from all over the world, everywhere in the world, you say, oh, I'm going to Kenya, please, can you check Umoto Lifestyle's penthouse? You will love it. You will have all this to yourself. A nice bed, a nice kitchen, a nice living area, watching TV. you will be eating fruits here. We have nearest to the city, downtown Nairobi. Oh my goodness, you will enjoy this penthouse. So as I say, I'm gonna do a proper tour for this penthouse so that I can advertise for you guys if you wanna come to Nairobi, Kenya.